these are another set of elevators, elevators 5 and 6, here at the Sea-Watch Condominium in Otis City, Maryland. Doing this during quarantine spot. It's a Delaware elevator. Whoa, what's this? Looks like an Innovation Universal fixture outside. Oh, and the chime looks different in these two. 19. One, two, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and you're at 19. Kind of like Innovation Universal Fixtures. That sounds like that a lot. Look at these lights. Seem like a lot of big like the others. Oh, looks like another Universal button. I get the other one. Let's go look outside and look at the view. Wow. I love this view so much of the bay. And look, there's a comforting Gold Coast. See, that's the same mall where I've been to. And over there's the other set I videotaped, yeah. Here comes. Takes a long level. In the one I said before, yeah? This time it's different. In the cab is nice. Go back to the lobby. And these chimes are different. Kind of like this cab. There are rules about how to stay safe during quarantine. Certificates over here. Emergency phone button. Capacity is 2,500 pounds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lobby. Oh, little problem. Avoid direct contact with bodies. That's why hand sanitizer is important. Even a mask too. Takes a while. Level. Oops. It's time to level. So to close. That's it.